Hey friends, welcome to Web Design Wednesday. And today I want to actually apologize and let you know what something that I encountered that's going to take a little longer than I expected. And because today we're supposed to start building out that funnel, and I've done a number of recordings so far, working inside high level, and to be honest, I expected it to go a lot quicker than it did. And for the sake of you seeing what the real process is and what I'm doing, I have used many other platforms. I've built hundreds of websites over the years, and I thought that going into the library of templates, I could just type in what I was looking for to build out this funnel, which we sketched out the other day. And what I found is that the templates themselves were just far more elaborate than what was needed. And so my goal is to teach you what I know about selling and how to be successful quickly with something. And it just wasn't moving right, and so we have to build it from scratch. And because the templates are just too complicated, and I want to show you what that works, how that works, what it looks like. And it required a pause and really thinking about this carefully, so that we didn't do something that was too complicated or more than what was needed. And what I want to share with you is a process that I was actually hoping to skip with with those templates, but we really need to be planning out each page and what really needs to be on the page. And so I wanted to show you this process. It's probably going to take us an extra week, maybe a little longer, to follow through that initial design process. But I want you to see the way I look at it, because there's a difference between a funnel and a website. And when you look at a website, websites are going to have navigation, they're going to have a menu and a bunch of items up at the top. But a funnel actually is going to be, each page kind of stands on its own with information, and the purpose of that information is to get you to the next page in the series, in the funnel series. So what we really need to look at here is what does that page look like. And the initial page, I just wanted it to have a video and a way for people to proceed. So what I was finding in high level were, navigations, and the templates just seemed like there was a lot going on there. There were a lot of distractions, and if we have one purpose that we want the visitor to take, it really needs to be easy for them to do that. And what we had talked about was a way for them to see if it would work for them, and then a way for them to proceed if they wanted to learn the information for $17. And so I'm going to start out just kind of as a simple diagram here, so we know what we're building, because we really want to plan it ahead of time, so that we know what we're looking for inside the tools. And so this would actually be the video with a play button there. So this could be the sales video. And then we really just need two buttons. And I'd say one button here that says, find out if it will work for you. And, then the button down here that just says, yes, I want to know, and that's what you learned. And then this is the button that was going to then take them, it's going to take them to the credit card page. And then this is going to take them to an opt-in page where they're going to put in their email to access videos, right? So then this is going to take them to to free videos where they can see if it works. Free videos. Will it work? Will it work for me? Right? And then because those emails are being collected, we then know if they watch this and they try it, if they watch these videos, then they're going to want to buy, right? But if they don't, then we're going to want to send them to an email sequence, which is going to be a chain of emails over several days to warm them back up. And we're going to try to drive them back into the will it work, or get them to make that purchase. And then if they've made the purchase with the credit card page, then it goes to the the thank you page, which has the video, which is the paid video, right? So this is really kind of more what it's going to function like. But there was nothing in high level that looked like this without having to build it yourself. And as I started building, it became more elaborate, more complicated, and seemed like it was going in the wrong direction. And I knew I was going to have to go back to design it on paper like this in order to really show what I learned and what I can do. And so because now that I've taken, I don't know if this is 5 minutes. I don't have a timer on my computer. I don't know if this was a 4 or 5 minutes process, but spending 4 or 5 minutes to really outline, draw it out, plan ahead of time, this is going to make that designing process a lot better, a lot quicker. So that's what I had to share. And apologies, I'm a little bit off schedule, and that happens. And I just wanted to let you know what I learned and what our path forward is going to be. Tomorrow for Tech Thursday, we're going to be working a little more on components that go into this funnel, and I'll see you then. So thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.